Hey guys, welcome back to Otaku Niche. Today we'll be looking at Fairy Fencer F, Refrain Chord. This is the limited edition, this is the PS5 version, and we'll be taking a look at this awesome limited edition. So let's get to the unboxing. So here we have is the front, on the side, and on the back. You open it up this way, and you have the game disc, and of course you can flip the cover if you want, reversible cover. Now in the limited edition you'll also receive a bunch of other goodies, so let's take a closer look at that. But before we look at the other box, it was looking with this too, so let's see what's inside. I think this is the music book. And I think the cards are over here too. There we go. This is the Iffy Store trading cards that they give out for their purchases. This is the one you get for Fairy Fencer F. This is the April card. And this is the card for March. I guess we can look at the Fairy Fencer music book. Oh, it's an actual music book. Oh, that's pretty cool. Too bad I don't have the instruments to actually try to play these notes. That's pretty neat. This is what you guys been waiting for. Let's see what else comes in this limited edition release. We have the front, the sides, and on the back. It's really shiny too around the edges, the little details and stuff. That's neat. So let's open this up this way. You lift this up. So here we have is the steel case book. Here's like the bigger, thicker cases. Inside artwork. Back, in the front again, and on the side. Let's see, let's put the game disc inside here. There we go. Lift this up, and the next thing we get is the official soundtrack. It's actually quite a bit. I didn't realize it came with, two discs. We have this one, which is 32 tracks, and we have disc 2, which is 23 tracks, all on the back right here. Lift this up, and the last item that we get is the hardcover art book. Alright, so we have the front of the hardcover art book, and on the side, and on the back. Now let's take a closer look and see the art book. Let's glance right through it. And that's the hardcover art book. Beautiful artwork, guys. Beautiful artwork. So there you go, guys. Fairy Fencer F, Refrain Chord, limited edition. This is the PS5 version. You get the game, a trading card, music book, 2-disc soundtrack, hardcover art book, steel case book. What else do you need? I mean, maybe a little wall scroll would have been nice, but hey, still a cool limited edition. Comes with a nice little collector's box so you can put things away. It's pretty nice. Good job, Idea Factory. And you guys have any questions, do let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you're new, leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next unboxing. This has been I'll Talk You Niche.